My name's Ronnie Kane and I'm from Woodlands in Monaghan. I first came across PVGEN when I spotted their van parked outside the neighbour's house here in the estate and made a call to them the following morning. Mark came to our home, met myself and my wife and gave us a very in-depth presentation on several versions of the system. So we knew from the get-go that summer would be good and winter would be more balanced, but we were happy that the outcome would suit us and we went for the system. The install team were probably the friendliest bunch of guys that I've ever met. They came, they did what they did and had to do, and they left. Neat and tidy, everything looked after. I really mean, you would not know that they had been here. Part of the system is having the app on my mobile phone. That gives me access to the system 24/7, and I do watch it. And for the month of September, in spite of having very poor weather, it's still generating enough power to power the house, so we're not taking anything from the grid. We will save between 800 and 1,000 euros on our electricity bill for the house. That represents 50%. The savings on the car are similar. It's probably more. I would expect the system to pay for itself in probably 5-6 years max.